Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota. I'm here today to talk to you about our 2018 C-HR that we have currently in our used inventory. This is the XLE trim. It comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It is accident-free, and with only 15,000 kilometers on it, it's lots of factory warranty left. As you can see, it comes equipped with a block heater. If we move on over to the side here, you can see the 17-inch alloy rims. The side profile, you can see there's lots of clearance for our harsh winters here. Heated mirrors. I'm going to open this up so that you can see the seats. Cloth interior, adjustable seats with lumbar support. Open up the back door here. 60-40 split in the rear seats. Lots of leg room. And if we come on back to the rear of the vehicle, I'll show you the backup camera right there. If we pop that open, this one comes with a cargo mat, second set of mats. These are your cloth mats. The winters are in the vehicle. And if we lift this up, you'll see lots of storage space as well as a spare tire. Let's go on inside the vehicle now and look over some of the safety features. All right, here we are inside the car. As you can see, it comes with an electric parking brake that will deploy when you put the vehicle into park. We'll move up and you can see the big screen. And just below that right here, we have your front heated seats. We move over to the steering wheel and I'll show you some of the safety features. Right here is the dynamic radar cruise control. And once you're in cruise control, you can set the speed, or the distance rather, between you and the car in front of you. Right beside that is our lane departure alert, where if you start to drift out of your lane, it will warn you. Moving over to the signal right here, you'll see that it has automatic headlights, and down here, your automatic high beams. It's also equipped with a pre-collision system with a little brake for you in an emergency. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us at the dealership. Thanks again and stay safe.